Good morning, guys. I mean, it's like fucking, it's 1:09, but I kind of woke up like 30 minutes ago, but yeah, my sleep schedule's been kind of messed up. But good afternoon, and we got some special things ahead of us or for today's video, and I'll definitely get it released today, but then, gotta get on that grind. My man's, go check out the Gentleman's Club. I'll link it in the bio below. He also got a video, but that dude's been editing for like 3-4 days, so I mean, yeah. We gotta go do some things today before we get the install going. So we gotta go wash your car, head to Target, grab a couple things, and then as you can see right there, we have a package, and then we have one more coming in, so that'll be pretty cool. And then we'll unbox them later down the road. And right now, we're just gonna go wash your car, go to Target, grab a couple materials, and then we got watching some Formula One. This is 2019 Silverstone race replay. So I mean, yeah, we'll have a fun day ahead of us, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. You guys enjoyed that cold start, and then catch you guys at the car wash. Of this, and let's go. So it was actually too cold to film outside, but I'm at Target now, and we're looking for double-sided tape. That's all we need. And I had to measure because I forgot to measure when I was back out. My side skirt or rocker panel, whatever you want to call it. So it's about like 6 feet. So I need about 12 feet of double-sided tape. So gotta grab that real quick. All right, guys, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. We got side skirts, I believe is in that one, and then we got my replacement front spoiler. I didn't do a video on this, but I already had a spoiler installed. Yeah, and then right here is where we had an incident. I didn't do a video on this because it was just a spoiler, and like, I was expecting to break it. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, this is unfortunate that this happened because I messed it up. I messed it up a lot, but this is a 3-piece spoiler. So it stops right here. See with that line. And then, so I got a 3-piece spoiler because I actually had a feeling that it might break on me, and I could just replace it easily. So I have a replacement part of from the middle section, and I just unbolt that. And then I have the two side sections, or so left and right. And so those are held on by double-sided tape. And there's these three screws that just bolt up into the bumper here. And yeah, side skirts, we don't have that, but you gotta get that all cleaned up. Not the best lighting. Actually, I'll grab one of the lights over there and then I'll throw it up. So let's get on with the unboxing. This is gonna be interesting. All right, so hopefully that helps with the light a little bit. It's kind of dark in here. We don't have the best lighting set up, but you know, college student, I can't afford the big ass lights. All right, yeah. So hopefully lighting is good. I don't know. So we got a double-sided tape here, one for each side. I hope it's enough. I forgot to measure before I left and went to find it. But in this box right here, we got our front lip replacement. So this is what we'll be replacing, and I'll show you guys that in a bit when we install this. This will be the first thing we install actually, or replace. So carbon, repeat, and then this box right here is our side skirts. This is also going to be a 3-piece because I don't know, I'm kind of reckless with my car, and winter's coming up, so if it breaks, I can just replace one part of it instead of buying like all of it. I bought all 3 of those because that's the front lip, and I'm not even lowered yet, so it's kind of rough how I broke my front lip, you know. This front lip took forever to come. I was gonna do a video on this like I think last week, but you know, it just took like 6 years for me. These are the hardware. There's that. Hella pieces. Alright, let's see here. So there's the back of it. Yeah, it's a 3-piece, like I said, and you know, maybe in the summer, spring of 2022, I'll get like I was looking at the CMST front or side skirts, and that's like $1,000, but you know, you just gotta say fuck it sometimes. So we're gonna move on to the front lip, and then I'll move you guys over there and show you guys how I do it. I'm gonna show you guys what's wrong with it, and then I'm gonna show you under the car. So as you can see, it's messed up right here, down here, and then we got more chips right here, as you can see. But if you look underneath, I don't know if we have one, or actually this is missing a screw because I hit the lip so hard. And so we got one screw right here, and then another one right here. I drilled up into the bumper to get those screws, and then like I said, the sides, they're just fucking, they're double-sided tape, because I don't really like drilling into my thing unless I have hella money, but you know. All right, enough talking, let's get on with this. fuel. All right, fast forward 1 hour and we got it done. We got her done. That side is kind of sketchy because it was too big, so you know what I did? I just spliced it. So I made it fit a little bit. The line's a little jagged, but all you need to do is just sand it, but I'm too lazy right now to sand it. I got it all mocked up. Had enough double-sided tape, so just gotta repeat to the other side. I found what was easiest because the bottom of the rocker panel is a little bit uneven, so I just applied double-sided tape to the underside of the rocker panel instead of applying it to the side skirt, and it made the job a lot easier. I'll bring you up close to look at it. So that's how it looks. There's that, and it's not bad for $100 side skirts. This one side is more expensive than, like, it's triple times. This one side mirror is 3 times more expensive than just one of the or 2 of these. So all right, and then I'm gonna get back to it. I'm finished the other side. It's getting pretty dark outside, as you can see, but you know, gotta keep grinding. Gotta finish the other side. Gotta cut the other side as well. And then I'll show you the other side. Well, guys, here's our finished product. That honestly, that took a lot more work than I thought it would be. But you know, that's what you gotta deal with. Like, you think it's gonna take 15 minutes and then it takes fucking 3 hours. But this side is pretty good. I think this side went quicker than the other side because no idea what I was doing. But pretty sturdy for some double-sided tape. But I'm not that happy with it because this is like cheap side skirts, so it's not very nice. Overall, it's alright. Out of 10, I would probably rank it like a 5 or a 6 because eBay side skirts, but it'll do for now. Look, it's alright. We'll look at the car. Lighting's pretty bad, so, but I mean, it's alright. It'll do for now. It'll do for the winter. And then UPS actually lost my rear diffuser, and I hope that they find it pretty soon because that is going to be a nice one. So I think that'll do. And yeah, I mean, at least we did one thing that was pretty good today. It was the spoiler. Pretty easy. Already had the holes drilled. Just needed to replace the midsection. And yeah, pretty cool. Pretty simple. Nice. I actually forgot to record an outro to this video, so this is gonna be my outro. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys liked the side skirt install. It was alright. It actually looked good in the video, or decently good. So I'm just, hopefully it doesn't fall off while I'm on the side of the road. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like, leave a comment on what else I should do to the car. I actually do have some things in mind, but if you might be able to change my mind. Comment down below, you know. And then obviously I'm watching my man's Gentleman's Club video, you know. My man's Matthew Lohr editing this. Check it out. I'm gonna leave a link in the description to this video. And yeah, make sure to check it out, and thank you guys for watching.